Hi everyone, this is Shahar of Vibrant Thoughts Create, and today I wanted to do a short video about a product review on our reverse osmosis water filter that we have. And so this is the spout coming out, and for our sink, thank God, this hole here was already drilled out, so the installation actually was quite easy. This is the HomeMaster water filter system, and it has, I believe, 9 different filter stages that it goes through. And here's the holding tank here. I think it's like 4 gallons, and the pump here that kicks on once the tank needs to be filled. And you've got the filters back here that I believe have to be replaced every year, and it's I think a pretty quick and easy replacement job. The whole installation for this took about, I'd say, 2 hours, and that's including my husband and I bickering over, like, who was right and who was wrong, and him mansplaining everything to me, and then ending up with me completing the installation on my own. So I was very proud of myself. Check out the flow. Like, this is great. Okay, I don't want to waste any water. That's good water. Good water. So we live in Des Moines, Iowa, and oh, sorry, let me click over. Okay, so as I was saying, we live in Des Moines, Iowa, and the water quality is, it's okay. I don't really feel that it's great. And when we sent in one of those free water testing kits that you can get from like Home Depot or whatever, the company called me back and she was like, you got like a shit ton of pollutants in your water. And I was like, no wonder it tastes so bad. So we were pretty quick to start researching reverse osmosis water filters, and I came across the HomeMaster, and we love it. Highly recommend it to anybody that is looking for a reverse osmosis water filter system. Under the sink is great, so it doesn't take up your counter space. Like I said, the installation really was not that bad. I mean, it was like a couple hours, and again, like my husband mansplaining it to me. So super easy. Well, not super easy, but relatively very easy. And you get like this just delicious water out of it. So if you're interested, I will drop the link down below, and yeah, check it out. See if it's for you. All right, thanks. In making this video, I neglected to mention a few key features of the HomeMaster reverse osmosis system. So 4 things that really stood out to me was that, one, it's 9-stage advanced filtration and UV sterilization. So this means that it removes up to 99% of contaminants, and that includes chlorine, heavy metals, fluoride, microplastics, pharmaceuticals, and it uses an EPA registered UV LED sterilizer to eliminate 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. Another key feature is that it is a patented double alkaline remineralization. So it actually adds back calcium and magnesium twice, really, once to the tank and then again before dispensing. And so by adding that calcium and magnesium back into the water, it raises the pH and enhances the taste and reduces tank degradation. A third key feature is the fast flow, which I did demonstrate, and it's efficient to 1-to-1 waste ratio. So it fills a glass in about 4 to 5 seconds, boosts production by 50%, and it cuts wastewater by 80%. So that's that pure ratio, 1-to-1. And then the fourth thing is that it's a tool-free filter design. So each filter is in its own housing, no containers to clean or leak. You just replace them each year, and it just takes a few minutes and no tools are required. So I just wanted to throw this image up and include it in the video with the key features. Thanks again for watching, and I'll have a link below if you're interested in learning more about it. Thanks again.